Hey, it's Jennifer with ActivWall Systems. Today I'm here in our Martinsville, Virginia production plant where we have a corner unit. Now this is being shipped to a customer in Texas where they're going to have an awesome wraparound bar. And let me tell you about this unit. So these are 61 inches high. The first unit is 98 inches long and this unit is 145 inches long. And you can see it completely opens up this corner so that the customer can have a full wraparound bar for outdoor entertaining. Our units are made with thermally broken aluminum, insulated glass, and high quality seals for energy efficiency. So in the winter, this is going to keep the cold out and the warmth in the home, and same with the summer. It's going to keep the hot heat outside, and on those nice days, you can open it right up to have that full indoor-outdoor entertaining experience. So if you want to get an ActivWall custom corner unit for your home or business, contact us today at activwall.com. We'd love to open up your space.